Hello guys, today we have an iPhone 11 Pro not charging. The customer bring the device told me the charging barely goes inside. So it seems that we have some dust inside. Also the phone is not charging. Remove the charger and let's look what we have inside. Bring the tweezer and start pulling everything from the inside. Don't touch the both side, the right side and the left side, because we got their pins and we don't need to remove that pins or paint that pins. We just need to take out all the dust inside. These dust dirt store for about time when you put the device in your pocket. So every time they store inside. I don't know how this happens over the time, but it happens. Too much devices comes like that. People just push these dust inside when they insert the charger. Every time they push it, they push it, they push it. We still have a big one inside. All you have to do is to remove the dust and then we clean it with the alcohol using a brush. This can work with any smartphone. Alright, this is the big one. I think we are finished now removing everything from the inside. The cleaning now is necessary to fresh the pens and that's it. Now it looks like original and clean, perfectly cleaned. Now we are going to insert the charger. Let's see. Alright, the charger goes on all the way in and the phone is charging now. So we were able to fix the device problem without even replacing the whole charging flex. That was for today. If you have any questions, you can just write it on the comments below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.